back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Priyanka and I do videos which pertain to food, skincare, makeup at times, but also a lot of food and a bit of skincare. But today is something which is like very close to my heart. You must have seen in my channel, if you already know me, that I am a person who loves smell good kind of a products, and I also have a thing for perfumes, deodorants and stuff like that. So I have picked up 2 deodorants lately and wanted to introduce those 2 deodorants because I thought it's very less talked about, and it's really high quality, and considering the price and everything, so I wanted to make this video to just let you guys know about my experience with those perfumes, and also if you can definitely get hands over it. So before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of all my subsequent uploads. So without any delay, let's begin the video. So now let me talk about the brand which I am going to talk about. So the brands the perfume I'm going to talk about is the brand Bella Vita Organic. So this is a brand which makes a lot of products. Like their products starts from skincare, hair care. They have different blends of oil and all of that. I have previously used some of their oils and was pretty good. So now this was a time when I was actually looking for some deodorant or perfume, but deodorant per se I was not really getting happy with all the kind of deodorants that I was owning, because once you keep, I have a huge collection of deodorants, okay, but then once you keep it for a while, more than half of it vaporizes, right? So I thought, okay, let me just invest some money, buy a perfume. So then some of my friends referred me that, okay, you can try their unisex perfumes, which is really good. So really, when I say that the perfume is really good, which I mean is, I am a person who likes not a fruity fragrance, not a very flowery fragrance also. So I like something which is a little different from both fruity as well as flowery fragrance. Plus, it should be, of course, well within budget, and I like a perfume which will stay like for a while, and also when I wear a perfume, the other person should get the smell of it. That's the criteria that I had. Knowing all of this, my friend, when she suggested me about this perfume, so I thought, okay, let me just try it. So initially I bought this one of the perfume, which is the White Oat unisex perfume for this Bella Vita Organic. So the price of it is actually $9.99, okay, but if you get it from you can get it from their website, and I bought it at around 499 rupees. And this, I was really super impressed with the smell. So this is the kind of packaging. I've preserved the packaging to just show you. So this is the kind of the packaging, and this is how it actually looks like a men's deo, but it has a very nice unisex kind of a fragrance, which is like, it's really good. Those are high-end perfumes like Gucci or Tom Ford and things like that. So it kind of resembles, very much resembles the smell of that. And it is so much affordable, right? Though it is priced at 999 rupees, you get it at a price of 499 rupees or something around that. And one more thing is that if you buy from the website, you also get some coins. So whatever coins you get, you can use it for your next purchase, like that. So though it's of course a glass bottle, it's a little heavy, but I carry this one in my handbag and I keep spraying like every now and then. So I really love the smell of it. So when I started liking the smell of this one, I thought, okay, let me purchase one more. So I got this one. So this is the Super Oud. I have the links of both of these things in the description box below. This again was priced at 999 rupees, but then I got it at 499 rupees, and also with the coins and all I used it, so it was coming under something around 450 rupees and all. this actually I liked even more than what I had shown you previously. Okay, so this is a very feminine kind of a smell, though it says it's unisex, but I feel it's a perfect one for any female. Okay, so it's that mild, subtle kind of a fragrance, but it'll definitely go for guys as well. So it is that also little strong that guys deo or guys perfume generally have, but it's also like, you know, very feminine hinge also in it. So that way I really loved both of this perfume. But then one which I definitely would recommend is, please do try this one, this Super Oud ADP from this brand. It's really good, and for the price of it, it is this big bottle which gonna last for like more than 6 months. And I'm a person who carries perfume like all over. Like whenever I put the slightest step out I make out of my home, I'll put some perfume or deodorant. So these are the two things which I bought, and I wanted to like let you guys know, because this is the one brand that I thought is not much talked about, but they have like genuinely good products. Their perfumes are like crazy, man. They resemble, seriously, I mean their smell and all resembles like those high-end brands and all that. The quality, the packaging, you see, it's very sturdy, hard glass packaging. Everything like resembles those high-end quality, but then you get it at such an affordable price, right? So that way it's a very good try, it's a very good buy. So you can definitely go and check it out. I have the links of both of the perfumes in my description box below. And apart from this also, they have specifically men's perfume or specifically women's perfume and things like that. You can check their website out for all of this. So that's all I wanted to talk about today, because this is the perfume which I'm super impressed recently, specifically this one. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. And if you're wondering what am I wearing on my lips, it is the lip tint from the brand Soap Square. It's a ruby coral variant. So I'll also give the link of the review that I made of this lip tint in my Instagram. You can follow me in my Instagram. The handle is given here, Channel Stylo. And yeah, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So bye bye, take care and stay tuned, and do try this out. Bye bye.